Hey guys, it's Damir, and today we're going to be talking about the cost of installation of Air Ride. Let's get into it. So how much does it cost to install a complete Air Ride kit? Well, it really varies. On the low end, around 500 to several thousands, and sometimes even more. And it really depends on two main factors: where you take your kit to get installed, and how custom you want your management to look in your trunk. So some things to consider includes the shop rates in your area. Will your shop educate you on how to use the system? Will they calibrate it, pressure test it, leak test it? Also, when going for a custom look, are you going to be using additional materials such as hard lines, maybe carbon fiber inlay, maybe lighting? All of these additional items and the associated labor will add to the cost, causing the price to go up to several $1,000s. And if you're a big DIY person like me, you might consider doing the install yourself, saving you a lot of money. So hopefully this provides you with some clarity on the cost of installation of an Air Ride kit. If you have any additional questions, contact our friendly staff at sales@bagriders.com. And as always, for all of your air suspension needs, hop onto our website, bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop. Damir, out. Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Okay.